Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm Kenny, your host, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of the intraday dynamics, the E-mini Russell futures contract. Well, we had the Fed decision, wild moves as usual. This was it right here. And the 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 wild moves, and it results. We rarely, if ever, trade on a discretionary basis around the Fed. You certainly can do it, and you can make some quick money. You can get burned pretty easily as well. So generally, from a discretionary perspective, in terms of biases, we don't really have any until about 10:30. We've always said the following post open, post early session of the following the Fed day. So that would put us right around here, around 10:30. I'm not sure. Oh, right at 10:30, and there you get your resolution. So still chopping, although we are lower, you do get your resolution. The market starts to move lower, breaks below this very strong horizontal support around 705, which I believe we've mentioned in the ER2, and proceeds to break that with a nice trail. And not much looking back after that. We're right back at 692 in the market there. Sorry about that. And so where are we? Well, obviously we had full bearishness here, full bearishness there, full bearishness there. Did have a divergence yesterday following the Fed day, from fully bullish there to just moderately bullish, and a bit of a mixed picture. So definitely the bears weighing control, but you do see a positive divergence here in this indicator of still bearish, obviously. A little bullish there, a little bullish there. Definitely trying to struggle. The market's trying to hold up, but it looks like it's just going to probably break down. At least from here, once we get below 690, the market will certainly be bearish from an intraday perspective. We are below the trend. We do have 3 out of 4 bearish indications, but we do have a bullish indication, so it's not fully bearish, and you certainly see the chop. So it's a bit of a challenging market environment for the discretionary players, as it has been, as we've heard over the last probably 3 weeks. So there we're on an intraday basis of fully or ascension bullishness there, and declination there in terms of bearishness, or we should say rising bearishness there as well. And um, so there you have it, bit of a mixed picture. We're going to go ahead and switch over to take a quick look at the daily chart. And there we have, where'd we go to bearish? Let's clean that up a little bit. Where do we go to bearish? Fully bearish we are, and have been, I believe, since around 1374.24 on 6/4. So we've been bearish the whole of the month of June on a discretionary and official market timing basis. And so there you have a nice 100-point gain on the bearish side. So I hope you guys are watching your videos and taking some of these biases and trading from them. That is the whole point, that you can position your own portfolios and at least protect from a hedging perspective your larger portfolios for these moves on the downside. We'll actually look at an OEX option a put option that we bought yesterday, which was very profitable. Had a banner day yesterday. Sure, a lot of people on the long side, old mutual funds and what have you, saw big erosion in their profits, and certainly have the entire month of June. Meanwhile, we've had a very good month in the futures in June. Forex, I'm sure, as well. I haven't got the numbers out just yet. Those will be out next week. But so there you have it. Very nice day yesterday. On the short side, get strong moves, but we have been bearish since 1374. We're now at 1274 for a gain of 100 points. Still remains so. Bearish, 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 fully bearish from a directional movement perspective. Intermediate term, short term, fully bullish from a momentum perspective. And there you have it. We'll take a look at a couple of the trades yesterday. What a beautiful put we bought yesterday. Bought the OEBSN, the 570s, I believe those are. And bought them at 470, sold them at 8. That says 80, but it's actually 8 for a 1-day gain of 70%. Bought some more puts this morning. I think we're filled around 780, so 940. So a nice little, maybe 20-25% gain on the put side today. And looks like we're trying to hold back on the market, so we'll see where we go. But we are below on the ERT. As I look at the other screen on the ER2, anything above 696 will pretty much negate the bearishness, but we'll see where it goes. But it is trying to pop up a little bit. we can actually go ahead and switch over there. I know we're just wasting too much time. And there you go. So the market's picking up just a little bit, but we'll switch back over for you and look at a few of our trades. There's the ES Day Trader 1.0. Look at that. Shorts 1 point off of the high and then covers maybe 5 points off of the low. Just a beautiful trade. Just a beautiful trade. What did the grind do? Oh, the grind was even better. Well, just barely better. Just held on a little bit longer than the ES Day Trader 1.0. Just held on a little bit longer, but just what a beautiful trade. What is that? A gain of, let's see, 1308 down to 1285. So you're looking at about 20 to 25 points, 23 points in a day. So very nice gain on the ES to the tune of 25 points. I think we actually had a similar trade on the YM contract, the Dow Day Trader 1.0. Again, holding for almost the whole of the move, jumping out a little bit early on a trailing stop, but very nice 700 down, 200 point gain almost for the Dow yesterday on the short side, in a nice long short setup again today in the YM Day Trader 1.0. But we'll take a look at a couple of the numbers actually. Pull these up. Let's see. Here we are at Thursday. This was our, oh, wow. Our day traders just blew it out of the water yesterday. 28.58% was the leader with the MAP DT version 2.0. Now, this is aggressive portfolio, but definitely one highly recommended for aggressive traders, and most of our clients who come to trade futures are aggressive. So there you have it, $20,000 account, MAP Day Trader 2.0. We'll talk about a special there in a second. 28% gain yesterday, $6,000 on a $20,000 account. The not arguably, the more conservative Delta DT, up ironically the same exact number. They must have traded the same things on that day. Delta DT, a $35,000 account, just a more conservative version and weighted version of the MAP DT version 2.0 and 3.0, but more conservative with a nice 16.33% gain. But the one we really need to talk about is the dual day trader, 23.5%. Actually, that's just coming in second, but over time, this has just been killing. The Dual Day Trader DS, and we're going to have a special, we're going to actually walk you through that right now. But if you look, 99.75% gain for the Dual Day Trader DS over the last, we'll call it 16 days. Obviously, the MAP DT is at 60%, so 52% for the Delta 5, and so on and so forth, 50%. Very, very nice gains for a 16-day time frame. But 99.75% gain for the Dual Day Trader DS. Now, what you could do is a $5,000 account. What you could do is you can subscribe to three of these, and you'll get one free. So the special is $500 for 3 months. You go in there and you enter in. We'll go to the Dual Day Trader, which is right here. Scroll all the way down to the DS, right there. Just click Add to Cart, which we didn't do, so we'll do right there. Add to cart. You just enter in 3 quantity and check out, and you'll get an entire year of the Dual Day Trader DS. Again, we can actually go to the returns and see what the portfolio has done. As usual, we're running out of time. Where's the Dual Day Trader? But you can check it out. It's probably about a 400% return. It's all the way right here. 583% return. Of course, there is risk. 85% maximum drawdown. Where was that? That was right early this year, so we got that out of the way. Great time to invest. You see, it was a little choppy. Our EQ line's still very nice, very, very nice. And as you can see, putting up 100% return in 16 days, continued excellent performance. And so this was an awesome time to get started. You've got a couple days of profit, so we should have a banner month. If you guys have any questions, also you can enter promo code VIDEO for the MAP DT version 2.0. And you can save $300 if you're interested in that. 2 of our best portfolios. Buy 3, get 1 free, so an entire year for just $1,500 for the Dual Day Trader. And the MAP DT, you can save $300. If you guys have any questions, go to the website, chat with the support team, shoot us an email, and we hope you have a great trading weekend. Great weekend.